Lion Business Park, and we've been taking our time because of those people that speak the other language. We don't want to drive inside bush, but since you guys have been asking, today we have carried ourselves and we are inside 9th Mile trying to locate Lion Business Park. How many years? When last did we come here? I think it's been like 2 years we visited the park. Though we've been coming to 9th Mile, but we've not really got to the park, and we are trying to locate the place first of all. I think we're even mixing the roads up, but let's see. Hopefully we'll find it.
If activities was booming there, by now I believe we'll know the road very well.
Yeah, and funny enough, we asked some people on the road. They don't even know that something like that is in 9th Mile. We're like, okay, we're trying to locate Lion Business Park, and they're like, sorry, we don't even know what that is. Maybe we could use these hills. I don't know. Or maybe we should ask someone else.
Because anyway. Chairman, what on? I bet now you lead to Lion Business Park. Lion Business Park. You get this thing where government they build when they say that they sell land. For inside when they first round, they call it Lion Business Park.
Okay, thank you.
Quite interesting to know that even the community people are not even aware massive project like this is going on. But good thing we saw our Tomorrow is Here project, the water reservoir project by Governor Oba to distribute water to Enugu town. When I saw this, I knew we were on track because I remember this project vividly well last time we came. So I think people handling the Lion Business Park project really needs to invest in access road. I think people don't really visit here as often as they should because the road to it is bad, so I think they need to invest in it because massive work is going on inside, and I think the media team needs to do better by showcasing the work going on here, because getting down here we realize that even about 3-4 companies have their presence already here and even started minor production within this environment, and massive store building is going on deep inside. So we'll be having a drive of those area and showcasing some of the project that has commenced within the business park area. And but first off, when you visit here, you need to go into the main office where you see the prototype of this project. For every time I look at the prototype, I just know that this is a massive project that needs great attention. Yes, the business district design, the residential design, the shops designs, is beautiful. If this can be completed, to be a very masterclass. So I really wish they can create a better access road, make more noise about it, let people know that people are already investing in it, so they can come in, erect their shops, and just let business kickstart from here. But I think they really need to focus more on production. People who produce, they will find facilities like this useful for now at this early stage of the project. So that's just my own candid advice. So if you are new to our channel, you're welcome to Alim TV. Kindly do what to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you always get to know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We truly do appreciate your love for our channel. So from here we'll be going on a ride around the park, quite a very massive landmarks, I must tell you, but we're going to have a ride within the whole environment, showcasing what is going on with one of the staff who will be telling us different things about the project. So we'll commence that right now, so just stay tuned while we go around. So you can see that there are some trailers here and those who came to do offloading. So according to the engineer on site and some of the staffs here, they said trailers are always coming here to offload goods for companies that are already sited. So you can see that these were the project we saw the last time we came, but to our left hand side, some massive shops are already being erected there, and they said it's a sellotape company has started production alongside with, I think, the Alamaco or something. 2 other companies are also there who have started partial production, and quite a lot of others are also coming in. So lands within this entrance axis that we are driving on now, they are literally all sold, but they have quite a good number of land available. So you can see the structures for the companies that have started partial operations within the environment. So all of these lands around here has been taken, but they have quite a huge mass land that is available for sale, both at the business districts, the shop areas, and the residential areas. They have massive lands available for sale. So the information we gathered is that 40,000 per meter, and the minimum is 2,500 meters. So that we amount to about 100 million naira. So but they said it can be negotiated depending on terms of payment, either instrumentally or outright payment, so that it can be negotiated. So if you need informations or you need the numbers of the persons in charge here, do well to send us a DM. We will gladly furnish you with that information. So that we'll be having a massive roundabout within this area, and straight down this part we'll be driving now is where they are going to be having the business district, where the high-rise buildings and all is going to be situated, and downwards you'll be having shops like the electronic shop, and all of those things will be available in the areas we are going to now. So it will surprise you to see the amount of shop that has been built within this particular area we are going to now. So that will be showing you guys as we progress on this journey. So I'll say again, we have quite this is the third time we are doing a video on this project, so you can check our video catalog to see what has been done before and see the progress they made so far. You can see that these shops are already standing, and when we got here, they also explained to us that you can come together as a group to buy this land, and you guys contribute to erect the shops, and you guys share the shops within yourself. They also make those such arrangements. You guys will be placed on a WhatsApp group, and all of you can have a conversation around how you want the shops to be, but then it will still be supervised. You can have your own engineer, but it will still be supervised by their own personal engineer handling the project to ensure you stick to their specifications as to designs. So all of that, like I said, we can furnish you guys with the phone numbers and all of those details you need. You can actually get from them directly firsthand. So the Lion Business Park project is on, massive work is going on, and I really encourage them to tell their media team to do quite a lot of work. Spotlight when productions are happening, showcase these things to people so that they will be encouraged to come in here and get stuff running. So that is it. And it was also good to know that they said this government has also keyed in and promised them some massive work to happen within a couple of weeks. So we are looking forward to that, and I told them I will gladly come back for a revisit by the time the government project kickstarts proper within the environment. So good thing. If you enjoy videos like this and you love to see more of these kind of videos from us, don't hesitate to click on the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so you always get to know when we upload new videos. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. So do well to give us your honest review and thought about this project in the comment section. We will be looking forward to it. And do well to follow us on other platforms on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. We are also available there. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.